Welcome back, guys. And if in WhatsApp, suppose anybody puts his or her status and he's not getting viewed by anybody after several hours, after one day, after 2 days, he's just his status is not being viewed by anyone, then there must be any problem. So, welcome back, guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to address some basic status related issues. So, if you are new to this channel, kindly consider to subscribe this channel. So, not wasting much of your time, just coming to the topic. If your status is not being viewed by anybody, then anybody means particular persons, 2 or 3 persons. It is being viewed by many of your friends, but not viewed by some of your selected friends. Then their mobile phone needs to be checked. You should check that either they have blocked you or they have not saved your number. Somehow they have deleted that number. So these basic things you need to be checked first. If this is okay, then what you need to do, just go to the WhatsApp, press some longer time, and this will come. Then I circle is coming here, press here, then come to the storage, and here just clear the cache. If you had cleared that cache, please recheck it if anybody is viewing your status or not. If it is not viewing, then put the phone in aeroplane mode, get back to the normal mode, switch off on the phone. If it is still not working, then at this stage this solution works for most of the people. But if it is still not working, then you need to check some settings. And which settings I will tell you. Go to the WhatsApp and go to the status and come to the status privacy. Here who can see your status updates means your contacts. If your contacts are selected, then the person who are in your contact list must see your status. But if that two options are selected, and suppose my contacts accept is selected and all your contacts is selected, then nobody in your contact list will able to see, or only share with, suppose nobody is selected, then nobody will able to check your status. So this needs to be checked. Suppose it is still okay, then go to the normal settings, and here you needs to be checked that this read receipt is on or off. If read receipt of a particular person is on off, then in spite of he has seen or she has seen your status updates, you will not able to see that person has seen my status. That person number will not come, name will not come in the viewed list. So this needs to be checked in the settings. Suppose this is also working, then and your status is not being viewed by somebody, then you need to check that person has muted your status or not. If that is being muted by that person, then that will not come in your status until that person sees that status physically. So that also needs to be checked. Suppose all these are working, and if your status is still not being seen by anyone, then you have to contact your WhatsApp customer care. Just go to there and then go to the help, then contact us. Here you can write down that you write down here your problem, and you will surely get support from WhatsApp. So this is all about today's tutorial. Hopefully this will help some of the persons. So if you find it useful, please consider to subscribe this channel, and please share it on your social media platforms. Thank you very much, guys.